Hey guys, today let's talk about what is the sealed classes, which was introduced in the JDK 17, and it was the preview version in the JDK 15. So basically, the sealed classes, it's the new keyword. So it's basically the reserved keyword, the sealed, and which can be used for the classes or the interfaces. It's kind of an access modifiers, but again, it's completely different. Assume that I have an interface and the interface has a multiple implementations. Basically, wanted to restrict them. So only the interface can permit only these many implementations. Assume that I have a bank. So there are multiple implementations, the banks. Let's say it could be Bank of America, or it could be DC, or it could be Chase. So I don't want to permit any other bank to implement the same interface. So those kind of the cases we can go for the sealed classes. So basically the sealed classes which supports for both the interfaces and the classes. Let me show you one simple example so that you can understand better. I have an example so which has the multiple interfaces. So let's say I have a admin config service, which is the interface. So let's make this interface as the sealed, and we have to specify which particular implementations we need to permit, or which particular classes that can be extended if it is a class. So public sealed. So before, after the access specifier, so we have a keyword called a sealed, that is the reserved keyword. And also we have to specify what you want to permit. So I wanted to permit admin config service IMPL, right? So now, so when you mouse over on this error, it says that make the admin config service IMPL is a non-sealed, meaning, so that is not the non-sealed. So let's all the sealed classes, subclasses must be either final or a sealed or non-sealed. When you say final, so the class cannot be extended. When you say sealed, again that class also can be sealed class or an interface similar to this particular interface. So when you say non-sealed, that is a permitted to extend or implement, right? So let's go to the admin config service IMPL and make this as the non-sealed, right? Meaning, so this particular class can be extended and it can be implemented if it is an interface, right? So you can also make it as a final. If you make it as again sealed, so again here we have to specify which are the classes you are going to permit. Permit, let's say, some ABC class. So this is how we can implement the sealed classes. So most of the real-time scenarios, so we might have an interface or the repos where we have an implementation and the interfaces. So the interfaces, you can make it as a sealed. What classes you wanted to allow to implement. So those kind of the cases, you can use the sealed classes or the interfaces. So hope you guys understood. Let me make it as an answer. So hope you guys understood. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share it with your friends.